Hey friends, welcome to the Stratonia podcast. This show is all about strategy, entrepreneurship, and smart business thinking, especially for African founders and professionals. I share lessons, tips, and insights from years of building businesses, and if you want to grow smarter and run better businesses, this is your podcast. Today we will be diving into our blog post, Your Pocket-Sized Business Hub, a step-by-step guide to setting up WhatsApp business. Now, in Ghana, WhatsApp. It's everywhere, isn't it? More than just some app.
Oh, completely. It's how life happens. Family news, getting things done.
Exactly. And that familiarity, that comfort level everyone has, well, that's a massive opportunity just waiting for businesses, right?
It really is. Because your customer's already there, they use it, they get it. But, mixing business chats with your auntie's messages.
Yeah.
It gets messy fast.
Things get missed, you feel swamped. And maybe it doesn't look super professional using your personal account as things grow.
That's the point. It can feel a bit informal sometimes.
And that's exactly where WhatsApp Business comes in. It's free, and it's built for small businesses, like specifically designed to help.
Yeah, it's about taking that WhatsApp you already know and giving it structure, making it a proper professional hub for your business.
So our mission today basically is to walk you through setting it up step by step and show you the real perks for your business here in Ghana.
Okay, let's dig into that why a bit more then. Why bother with another app? What's the actual advantage over just using regular WhatsApp?
Good question. It's definitely more than just a different icon. First big thing, the professional profile.
Ah, yes, the digital storefront idea.
Exactly. You can list your actual business address, your hours, what you do, all right there.
So someone finds your number, they immediately see you're legit. Opening times, what you sell.
Right. Instantly builds credibility. Huge. Especially important here, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. Trust is everything. A proper profile says, I'm a real business. It moves you past just, casual chats.
Then you've got the communication tools. These are the bits designed to make life easier.
Like the quick replies. For those questions you get asked a million times.
Oh, honestly, quick replies are game changers.
Yeah.
Think about typing out your Momo details or directions again and again.
Ugh, yeah. Nightmare.
With quick replies, you save it once, use a shortcut like Momo, boom, done. Saves so much time.
It really does. And labels, too, for organizing chats.
Yes. Labels are brilliant. You can color code chats like new customer, order paid, follow-up needed, whatever system works for you.
Keeps track of everything. So useful.
And the automated messages. Away messages are key.
Right. So even if you're busy or it's after hours, customers get something. They know you've seen their message.
Exactly. Manages expectations. Shows you care. And another big one, the product catalog.
Ah, the mini shop window.
Perfect way to put it. You could showcase your products, services, whatever, right there in the app.
Which is super convenient for customers, right? Instead of asking, can you send pics? How much is this? Oh, they can just browse.
Saves you repeating yourself, makes it easier for them. Win-win. Can even speed up sales.
Definitely. And the last point, maybe simple but important, is just separation. Keeping work and personal life separate.
Yeah, mentally that helps a lot. And it maintains that professional feel we keep talking about.
Okay, so the benefits are pretty clear. How do people actually get started? What's step one?
Right, the practical bit. First up, download the app. Simple as that.
Okay.
Go to the Google Play Store, if you're on Android, or the Apple App Store for iPhone. Search WhatsApp Business.
And it is a separate app, yeah, not the same one.
Correct. Different logo, everything. We've got pictures in the blog post actually showing the right icons. It says download for Android and download for iPhone. Makes it easy.
Good stuff. Okay, app downloaded. What's next?
Step 2, and this is crucial, verify your phone number. Now, here's the catch.
Yeah.
You cannot, absolutely cannot, use the same number on regular WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business simultaneously.
Ah, okay. That's important. So what are the options?
2 main ways. Option A, which we generally recommend, is get a dedicated business number. Separate SIM card. Cleanest way.
Makes sense. Total separation.
But maybe you're just starting out, don't have a separate line yet.
Right. What then?
Then you've got option B. Migrate your existing personal number over to WhatsApp Business. The app walks you through it.
But if you do that...
If you do that, that number only works for WhatsApp Business. You can't use it on the regular app anymore. So it's a choice based on your setup.
Got it. So choose carefully there. Okay, app downloaded, number verified. Next.
Now we build your digital storefront, setting up your professional profile. This is foundational.
Right, getting the basics nailed down.
First, your business name, the official name everyone knows you by. Simple, but get it right.
Yeah, clear identification. Makes sense.
Then, pick your category. Restaurant, retail, local service. Loads of options. Helps people instantly get what you do.
Quick context. Good.
Next, profile picture. Super important. It's that first visual.
Logo, storefront, headshot.
Depends on the business, right? A caterer in Kumasi might use their logo. A freelance makeup artist in Accra, probably a nice professional headshot. Make it clear and professional.
Visual branding right there. Okay.
Then the description. Your chance to say what you do, what's special about you, maybe your mission. Keep it short, sharp, customer-focused.
And if you're stuck for words.
Good point. We actually suggest maybe using something like ChatGPT to help brainstorm ideas or get a first draft. Could be really helpful.
Smart tip. Okay, description done.
If you have a physical place, add your business address. Pin it on the map in the app. Crucial for walking customers.
Essential for finding you. Yep.
And finally, business hours. Set them for each day. Let people know when you're open, when they can expect replies.
Manages expectations. Avoids frustration.
Totally. And look, getting this whole profile sorted, it genuinely might only take, 10 minutes? But the trust it builds, instantly. Totally worth it.
Absolutely. That initial setup pays off quickly. So profile's done. What about those special features, the tools?
Right. Let's unlock the power tools. Beyond the profile, these features really boost your efficiency. First up, the catalog.
The mini shop we mentioned.
Exactly. It's where you showcase products or services, pictures, descriptions, prices, all the key info.
And how do you set that up?
Go into settings, then business tools, then catalog. From there, you just start adding your items. Pretty straightforward.
Okay. Any tips for getting started with it?
Yeah, definitely start small. Maybe your top 5 or 10 bestsellers or your main services. Use really good, clear photos and keep the descriptions concise but informative.
Makes sense. Like Kwame in Takarati selling his herbal soaps you mentioned.
Perfect example. He puts his top soaps in the catalog, prices listed, saves him sending the same info over and over. Customers just browse. Much easier.
Brilliant. Okay, catalog covered. What about quick replies again? How do they work technically?
Quick replies, yeah. So you go into settings, business tools, quick replies. You type out the full answer you want to save, say your Momo details. Then you assign it a shortcut, which starts with a slash, like Momo or directions or thanks.
Ah, the slash triggers it.
Exactly. So next time someone asks, you just type that shortcut in the chat, tap the pop-up, and bam, full message sent. Huge time saver.
I can see that. Directions, payment info, standard thank yous, all perfect candidates.
Definitely. Then there are labels for organization.
Right, the color-coded tags.
Yeah. Go to Settings Business Tools labels to set up your own categories. Or just long press any chat, tap the label icon, and choose one or create a new one on the fly.
So you could have like bright green for new customer, yellow for order placed, blue for payment received, red for needs follow-up.
Precisely. Whatever system makes sense for your workflow.
Yeah.
Like Yaw the Baker and Spintex, using them to see who's paid and who needs a nudge. Keeps them on track.
Very practical. Okay, labels make sense. What about the automated stuff?
Automated messages. 2 main types. First, the greeting message.
The welcome message for first-timers.
Yep. Settings Business Tools greeting message. You can customize a nice welcome that sends automatically when someone messages you for the first time.
Nice touch. And the other one?
The away message. Same place. Settings Business Tools away message. This sends automatically when someone messages you outside your set business hours.
Ah, crucial for managing expectations when you're closed or busy.
Totally. Even a simple, thanks for your message. We're currently closed, but we'll reply during our business hours, 9 a.m. past 5 p.m. Monfry, makes a huge difference.
Yeah, like Sandra, the hairstylist in Kasoa, using it when she's with a client. Lets people know she's not ignoring them.
Exactly. Manages that customer experience smoothly.
Okay, so the setup and features are powerful, but just having the app isn't enough, right? How do you use it effectively, especially here in Ghana?
Great point. Setup is just the start. Now for the best practices.
Right. What should people keep in mind day to day?
First off, be responsive. Try to reply during your stated hours. Use those quick replies to help speed things up.
Makes sense. And keep the tone right.
Absolutely. Keep it professional. Even though it's chat, maintain a polite, respectful business tone.
Good reminder. What about status updates?
Use status updates wisely. They're great for sharing news, new stock, offers, but don't spam people. Find a good balance.
Okay. And adding contacts.
Crucial one. Ask for permission. Don't just add people to lists. Build your audience organically. Respect privacy.
Very important. And let people know you're on WhatsApp Business.
Yes. Promote your WhatsApp number. Treat it like a key business contact channel Put it everywhere.
Like where specifically?
Add the link or number to your Instagram bio, your Facebook page, your website if you have one. Print it on flyers, business cards, even packaging.
Make it visible. Got it.
Think of it like promoting any other business page. Let people know this is a way to reach you easily.
Okay, those are good ground rules. Any other sort of day-to-day tips?
Yeah, a few more practical things. Maybe block out time 2-3 times a day just to check and respond to WhatsApp messages. Stay on top of it.
Dedicated time. Smart.
Use status stories visually. Show off new arrivals, maybe a quick behind-the-scenes video, happy customer photos with permission. Make it engaging.
Bring the business to life a bit.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And don't be shy about asking for feedback. After a sale or service, maybe drop a message like, hey, how did everything go with your order? We'd love your thoughts. Shows you want to improve.
Nice. Proactive customer care.
So, yeah, summing it up.
Yeah.
Getting WhatsApp Business set up is pretty simple, honestly. But the impact it can have on your professionalism, your efficiency, your customer connections here in Ghana, potentially huge.
It really feels like a small step with big potential returns. And the first action is just get the app, fill out that profile properly.
That's it. Take that first step today. Seriously, just download it while you're listening. And if you want to explore more, check out the Learn More section in our blog post. We've put links to the official WhatsApp business page, a general overview, even a YouTube guide on setting up the catalog.
Lots more info there if you want to dive deeper. And just, think about it for a minute. Imagine how much smoother your customer chats could be, how much more organized you could feel just by spending a little time setting this up properly.
Yeah, really picture it. What part of your business communication could really transform with WhatsApp Business? What's the biggest pain point it could solve for you right now? Something to think about.